Today we're going to attempt to fix a Syma X5SW quadcopter. Problem is the motors have stopped working or are intermittent. I've already taken the screws off and most of the disassembly. I've also already ordered motors off the internet. They're really quite tiny. Yeah, see, these are the motors. Let's get scissors here. I think it was like, I'm guessing because it's been a while since I ordered them, maybe 10 bucks for 4. Not bad. They're all stuck together with magnet, and they have different colors. Okay. Red and blue on 2 and white and black on the other 2. So, let's start with a red and blue. First thing we need to do is find the wires on the board. We'll go with this one. Not sure how the motors go in. Do they come out? See if we can get them out here. Get you on the camera right there. Feel like they're glued in. Oh, no, they're just pressed in. Okay. This is going to be the first one. And just to make sure you can see the camera. There we go. Okay, red is to my right, blue is to my left. There we go. We got one off. Save that. Now we get, I'm hoping these wires are the same polarity. I hope they fit. A little bit loose, huh? We'll probably have to glue them in. Oh good, they're pre-tinned. Yeah, they're pre-tinned. So red was to my right. Oops. And blue was to my left. There we go. How does that look? Doesn't look bad. They're nice and loose so I can remember which ones are which. And then we'll do the other red and blue pair here. Really quite an easy job. If you know a little bit about soldering. And the same goes here. Red to my right, blue to my left. So we'll remove this one. Get that wire out of the way. A little bit of heat. And they pop right off. Motor number 2. I just cleaned my soldering iron with a little sponge like this. Always helps to have a clean tip. Okay, so where's the next motor? Red and blue leads. Red to my right, assuming I have a turn that way. I'm hoping you can see this. It's a little hard to do it because my cord's a little short on my soldering iron. Oh, moved it too soon. I'm going to put a little dab of solder on that one. Okay, let's try that again. Not a very hot soldering iron, but I don't want it to be. I don't want to ruin the PC board with too much heat. Okay, red's on. Now we're going to go for the blue. If I could keep still. Let's try this again. Let's see, how do they look? Not as shiny as I would like, but it will work. Like I said, I think we're going to have to glue these motors in. Oh, that doesn't look so good. If I don't do them right, they're going to slip on the gears. These were supposed to be exact replacements. Yeah, right. Okay, let's go for the black ones. Black and white. Okay. White on my left, black on my right. Oh, is this soldering iron even working here? Okay. There's the white one. There's the black one. Okay, let's remove the motor. That one looks like it's glued in. There you go. Motor number 3. Okay. Okay, that's the black one. You don't want a lot of solder in these joints or you'll get shorts. Alright, let's try this one. Well, that one went on much easier. Okay, we got a third motor in. Okay. And one last one. Gotta be careful so you don't break it. Plastic. Okay, motor's out. Black on my right, white on my left. Okay. Fourth motor out. I just picked up these motors on Amazon. They seem to have all the parts. And I'm fixing this one for my nephew. This one's got a little bit more. There, that's better. I don't know if I like that one. You want your joints to look nice and shiny. That one's shiny. The other one looks like a cold solder joint. So let's redo that one. That's better. Okay. We got them all in. Now we just gotta test it, make sure they work. I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. Let's see, make sure the switch is off. Switch is off. Alright, plug the battery in. Alright, let's turn the switch on. Well, it flashes. Let's turn the remote on. That's good. Oh, wire came off of one. Okay. See, it's good to test. Where's that on off switch? Thought I had that one on, I guess not. Steady here, come on, steady. Okay. All appear to be on now. Let's flip the switch again. See if the lights light up. It's waiting to be synced. Alright, turn the remote on. Okay, sync. That one's running. That one's running. That one's running. And that one's running. Alright. Let's just hope they go in the right direction. You never know when you buy some of this stuff. Turn the remote off. Well, I'll be back when I got it all assembled. Maybe I'll show the mounting of the motors, but we'll see. I want to figure it out first. Okay, I think I got this figured out. The motors are a little skinny, So what I did was I took a motor and I wrapped electrical tape around it once, and it still wasn't enough. And I wrapped it around twice, and now it seems like a good fit if I glue it. I don't think there's enough room for 3, but I'm going to try 3 just to be safe. I'll let you know. Okay, I did try a third, and they're nice and snug now. Gear rotates fine. So 3 times with electrical tape should do the trick, but I'm going to hook up some power just to make sure this is okay. I'm getting some resistance here. I'm not sure why. Let's try hooking up some power. Right back. I've been charging up the battery, that's why I had to go get it. Alright, let's turn her on. It's this one that we're concerned with. So, see if you guys can see it. Sync. No? There we go, sync. Wow, that's noisy. Okay, so if I put a little pressure on it here, it gets rid of some of the noise. Alright, this could be a little touchy. We'll see. Alright. I'll let you know how it goes. I'm going to keep going here. Be right back. Okay, I got them in. They're all working. It's about 3 times around with maybe a little bit more with the electrical tape on each motor. The red and blue are opposite each other, and the white and black are opposite each other. And I tested out. They're noisy. Can't do much about it. Let's hook up the battery. I'll show you what I mean. It's not ideal. Oh, it didn't sync. Let's try that again. Why is it not syncing? Is the battery not? Let's try it again. See how noisy they are? Oh, one fell out, huh? Let's put one back in. Yeah, that one is loose. Okay. Oops. I think this one needs a little more tape. Be right back. Okay, I got it back in. I don't have any glue, so I'm gonna try just putting the cover on at the moment. Thought I had glue, but I'm gonna try it without the glue and just put the cover on, see what that does. But boy, they are noisy. Well, anyway, let's give it a try. Okay, I did get the quadcopter put all back together. Turns out the motors I bought are a little bit long. They're not exact. So what you got to do is you go inside this little cone here right by the propeller. There's a little tab on the inside. You got to break it off. And then it fits no problem. I didn't even need any glue. It does fly. I've tried it out already. Let's see if we can get it to sync. Seems to be fussy syncing. There we go. All right, let's. But so it does fly. It works. It's a little bit noisier than before, but my nephew won't care. All he wants is for it to work. So if you order motors from Amazon, try to get the exact size. If not, they might give you some little bit skinnier, a little bit longer, and they work. You just got to break off that little tab on the inside and put some electrical tape around the motor to make it stay in place. But it's fairly simple repair. Give it a try. Hope you liked it, and maybe next time I'll do a better one. I don't have very much camera equipment, so I'm doing what I can. Thank you for watching, and please like and share or whatever. Bye.